If you're not using custom audiences inside of your Meta ad account, you're basically letting Meta guess who your customers are. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your custom audiences so you need to run more targeted, more profitable campaigns and avoid wasting budget on people who either already bought or were never gonna buy in the first place. And if you're new here, my name is Vincent, founder of Chipper, and I help e-com brands scale profitably and predictably using our identity hooking system, so you never have to guess which ad or creatives works. So let's just dive straight into it. Meta doesn't know your business the way you do, and it doesn't know who's a one-time browser or who's a loyal customer who just signed up to your list but never bought unless you tell it. And custom audiences are how you do that. They give you the ability to control your targeting, improve ad relevance, and even reduce wasted ad spend. And most importantly, they allow you to track better, so you can see which part of your ad spend are actually driving the incremental results. And there are two core buckets that we use. It's either engaged audiences or non-buyers, and existing customers. And so the first one, the engaged audiences or non-buyers, they're basically people who've shown interest but they haven't purchased yet. And you want to create 4 of these audiences. The first one is website visitors in the last 90 days from your Meta pixel. The second one is catalog viewers in the last 90 days. So basically product interest but they haven't purchased. Then Instagram engagement in the last 90 days, so video views, profile visits, etc. Or non-buyers from your email list, so you can upload them manually or even sync them with your CRM system. And 90 days is usually the sweet spot here. It's just recent enough to keep the audience warm, but not too old to become irrelevant. And the second bucket is of course the existing customers, and existing customers are basically your buyers. And here are 3 of the audiences that you will need to create. So the first one are website purchases in the last 180 days using the pixel. Then also your customer files, so basically a CSV list from your store or CRM, and then Instagram shop purchases if you have an Instagram shop. And Meta limits this to 180 days window, but that is still plenty of time for retargeting or exclusions. And so now let's walk you through how to set these things up. So if you go to the ads manager, you are able to go to the audience section where you click, and then you will be brought over to your audience section. If you have a new ad account, there will be no audiences here, but if you have an ad account that has been running for a while, I hope that you got some audiences here already. So what we'll do is create audiences, create custom audiences, and so we'll do website purchases. So we go to website, then you go to the purchase event, 180 days. This basically gives you enough time to retarget everyone. It depends on your customer cycle here, right? Or your sales cycle. So if you have a subscription product, so for example, like soap, perfume, or anything else, and around a month or 30 days people need to repurchase, then of course keep it tied and do 30 days or 28 days, for example. But we'll do 180 days in this case. We'll give it a name, because naming structure is always pretty important. So for us, that's Chipper 25, so we know when it's set up, and then purchase, and then 180 days. That way, if you create your audience, you can click on it, and then here in an instant, you can basically create a lookalike audience. And then you give your region, so United States, boom, then go to 5 and create the audience. That way you've already set up a custom audience and a lookalike audience that you can just use straight up into your ads. Then if you want to apply it, you go back to your campaigns, you go to sales in June, and then you click on edit, for example, and then you go here, add exclusions, and you do purchase in the last 100, so custom audiences in the last 30 days or 180 days. So let's take 180 days for this example, because not everyone is buying this product in a repeat purchase, so it's a one-off product. And you just click publish, and that is exactly how you set it up. And now that your custom audiences are live, here's actually how to apply them. So in your ad set, under the audience section, click custom audiences and select the one you want to include or exclude. And to exclude, for example, buyers, scroll down, click exclude custom audiences, and then choose your customer list of your purchases. And you can basically layer these with lookalike audiences or cold audiences to keep targeting tight. And these audiences also power your audience segmentation breakdowns inside of basically Meta reporting, which means that you'll be able to see how each segment is performing, where your spend is going, and whether it's actually contributing to new results or good results. And if you haven't set up your customers audiences yet, this is the time, because these are foundational to everything from retargeting to budget allocation to performance tracking. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more deep dive meta content. Or if you want more help setting up your campaigns or need advice on scaling to 6 or 7 figures with your e-com brand, then go ahead and click the link down below to book a call with me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.